Hooey! The storm has taken down some tree right here. Wee! Well, where is the stem of it, the trunk? Huh? Do you get it? Where's the tree coming from? It's kind of half of a tree, right? It's split off. I'm sorry, I'm not getting it. This tree has no trunk or what? It's early in the morning and it's not up there. Tree can't fall upwards, so it must be, I don't know. I'm kind of not really getting it. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna tell the landowner a tree fell from the sky. Just because I don't know where it came from. You know, it's half a tree, so where do I have that tree missing? You know, there must be a half of it. Tree kind of be ripped open. What's the deal with this? Well, I'm gonna tell her it fell from the sky. Who cares? They're gonna have to clean this road, and otherwise, I promise, they're gonna let this one just rot right there. They're just gonna cut it there, and that'll be it. So yeah, I'll take a photo so I can show her. Bye for now. Minka, I found where the tree comes from. So had I walked here last night, I would maybe have been injured. Wow, it comes from down up there. Down here. Zack, it fell and then it landed on here.